Hey everyone, Gino here. Just going to be looking at trying to get my chain adjusted. I just changed the sprocket from a smaller one to a bigger one, so I just want to make sure I have the right amount of slack in my chain. One thing that I'm always concerned about, especially with the Hawk and the way the pivot points are set up, is that I need a good amount of chain slack, just because once I start getting into full travel with suspension, I don't want this chain stopping me. I want to try to get the full action of the swing arm through the stroke of the shock. So one of the things I'm going to be doing here is just quickly disassemble the rear shock. I love the Hawk for this because it's so simple. Pull that out, I'm going to drop it down, grab myself a block, just rest it on there. Make sure that this stays clear of my travel. You can see, look at that. I'm actually getting suspension stopping. My travel, the swing arm stopping at this point right here, which is probably only maybe a couple inches, 2-3 inches of travel. So I know it's too tight for me. What I'm going to do is keep on adding some blocks, release my pinch bolts, and give me some slack. Give myself plenty of slack. That looks generous. Let's raise this up and see if I have any binding. Well, it's really nice and loose. Let's add some more blocks to kind of get to the point where it's at its tightest. So I'm going to slowly tighten things up. You can see now that's about the tightest point right there. I'm going to get it. Then I'll just back it off just a little bit. Tighten it down. Take my blocks out. Go through the motions again. Get my bolt. Line up the rear shock. Now my chain is adjusted to where I want it, so I get full range of my suspension without any chain bind. Have a good one. Stay fast.